For the diagnostic function of the scanner, there is an item for initializing ABS ESC CAN message. This menu is for resetting the adaptive values by TCM via CAN. When the automatic transmission assembly is replaced with one adapted in another vehicle, CAN timeout error code may be stored, performing the resetting of ABS ESC CAN message as well as deleting of TCM learning value. Let's see how to do a TCM learning in this model. ATF temperature should be over 50 degrees Celsius, and APS value, open degree of acceleration pedal, should be maintained at 17%. Shift the gear from first speed to fifth speed at D range and then stop the vehicle slowly. Keeping the stop position for 5 seconds, repeat the driving 10 times.